So, according to Newsday Zimbabwe, they say government has nullified the General Notice 635 of 2023, alleging it was published without authorization. And we need to take a look onto this press statement, which was issued after a public outcry. Yesterday, we reported about this notice. Yaitarizayo kuti the procurement and the disposal of assets in the health ministry was now being hidden through a statutory instrument. And this issued letter or press statement says, His Excellency the President, Dr. Mnangagwa, has been made aware of some document gazetted as General Notice 635 of 2023, purporting to place the procurement of certain goods outside public scrutiny on grounds of national interest. Upon further investigations, it has come to light that the so-called government gazetted notice is a nullity, having been published without authorization and without the signature of the Chief Secretary to the President and Cabinet, as is the norm. While further investigations are underway, government wishes to advise the public that, on the instruction of His Excellency the President, the document in question has been rescinded as it has no standing at law, in policy and in terms of set government procedures. It thus should be disregarded. Government remains committed as ever to managing a transparent public procurement policy and the process as required by the laws of the country. So, it was signed 10/05/2023 by Dr. Mishek J. Sibanda, who is the Chief Secretary to the President and Cabinet. Okay, let us deal with this issue. What is very important is that we have noted that, number one, the government accepts that this document originated from the government itself. They accept that this was gazetted, and they accept that this was done in order to actually end transparency within the government of Zimbabwe. But they are in denial that they are the ones who originated this document. They are saying it was gazetted without authorization. But the question is, who drafted it? Why was it drafted? To what end was this drafted? Who does have the mandate to send things, to gazette the documents? What is the procedure which must be followed to gazette important documents? Those are the questions which we really need to have answers brought forward. They cannot just say we have nullified something. Chavasiri kuziva origin yacho. How do you nullify something chavasiri kuziva origin yacho? Uri kuchi nullifier as who? We would have seen arrest being made. Kuti uyu atosungwa because akaita zvinhu zvisiri pamutemo. We would have heard kuti kuna atodzingwa because akagazeta chinhu zvisiri pamutemo. But likewise, kune anonzi ma-sacrificial lambs. Pese pashata zvinhu kuna anosacrificewa. Saka even tikaona vasungwa, tikaona vadzingwa, tongozva kuti vasacrificewa. That's because mukuru haangabvumeka kuti akafoira. Mukuru haangabvumeka kuti metsi dzake dzaida kuita dzakaramba. Chinhu ichi chakaiswa mugovernment gazette musi wa5 May 6, 7, 8, 9 ndokubva opposition yachiburitsa pachena bvu. Where was the state security apparatus? Where was the president? Where was the chief secretary? Vachitadza kuti chinhu ichi chagazetwa ichi nemazuva akati aya ngachimiswe. Vaiva kupi vese ava vanhu ivava? Ndo vanhu vaifanira kunge vakatanga kuzvipika sei zvazopikwa neopposition. It shows kuti pane vanhu vari kurara pabasa. It shows that there is a lack of probity, and I agree with the late who said he lacks probity. And we really need to take these issues seriously, because this is how unjust laws are passed. They are secretly passed. Zvoita sokuti yanga iri mistake. Dai zvisina kuonekwa zvinhu izvi, vanhu vaizowara vakutosungwa. Waburitsa imwe information pachena, kechemu dzatochena, watyora mutemo wacho uri kupi? Uyu wakagazetwa apa. Ani muri kupaona? Saka isusu ndosaka tiri kuti chihurumende chinga chichienda ichi, chihurumende chinga chichibva ichi, so that we begin to have transparency in Zimbabwe, so that we begin to have a government which cares about the people of Zimbabwe, about the national interests of Zimbabwe.